confidence, diversity, and excellence. Our night of Miss South Asia World 2025. Before I start the show, I would like to introduce my beautiful co-host for tonight, Shreya Sawant. Hi, Shreya.
Thank you so much, Meeta.
Can I have the mic for Shreya? Thank you. Yeah, that's fine.
Thank you.
So I would like to introduce our beautiful co-host for tonight. Shreya is Miss Bharat USA 2024, a software engineer by profession and a published agency signed model. She is passionate about sustainable fashion and uses the runway as a platform to promote conscious, ethical style. Balancing innovation and creativity, Shreya bridges the worlds of technology and cultural expression and poise. Give it up for Shreya!
Thank you so much, Meeta, for the lovely introduction. Likewise, I would like to speak a few words about you as well. So, Meeta Ramchandani is an entrepreneur. She is the CEO of Meeta Productions and is a celebrity event company and a fashion designer who owns her luxury couture brand, Meeta Collections. Her designer collection has been showcased at the prestigious platform of New York Fashion Week with celebrity showstoppers. She is a recipient of many prestigious awards like the Bharat Global Icon of the Year, Business Entrepreneur of the Year, and Best Designer Collection. She is the Senior National Director for Miss South Asia World and the franchisee holder for Miss Bharat Tennessee. Give it up for Meeta Ramchandani.
Thank you, Shreya. Thank you so much. And as we all know, this event is organized by My Dream TV USA in association with My Dream Global Foundation and the people behind the power couple, Rashmi Bedi and Mr. Janak Bedi. Give it up for them, guys.
Woohoo!
Rashmi and Janak Bedi are a powerhouse couple, we all know that. And they are the founder of My Dream TV USA, My Dream Entertainment, My Dream Global Foundation, and My Dream Branded Pageants. Their platform is more than just an entertainment platform. It's a platform to empower millions of women around the globe. So give it up for Rashmi Bedi and Mr. Janak Bedi.
Surya Bedi is the president and marketing director of My Dream TV USA, who has taken My Dream TV to the next level on a global platform. Give it up for Surya Bedi.
Woo! Surya has changed the face of My Dream, so give it up for Surya. And as we all know, an event of this stature is never possible without the tremendous support of our sponsors, our vendors, and our supporters. So I would like to mention our supporters for tonight: Shweta Pakala, Atlanta Community Events; Mustafa Ajmeri ji, everybody knows him in Atlanta; Decor Partner, Happy Day Decor; our food partner, Archie's Kitchen; our dance school partners, Garima Dance School, Balli's Dance Studio, Nupur Dance Academy, and Akansha Dance Studio. Our fashion designers for tonight: Anusmita Bardansur, The Tradition Otijo; Priya Dharmendran, Disha Jewelry; Priyata Priyakumar; Jilmist Collection, Jeenal Trivedi; and Meeta Collection, Meeta Ramchandani. Our vendors for tonight, we have Apne Gehne, Lavish Designs by Jasmine, Simata Selections, Chidananda Services LLC. So thank you so much. Everyone, please give them a big round of applause.
And I would also love to extend my warm regards to all the lovely judges out here. Thank you so much for taking the time, for joining us to this wonderful event tonight. Thank you.
Yeah, let's introduce our judges for tonight.
So first up, we have Amber Hewler. Amber Hewler is the reigning Mrs. Universe USA 2025. Beyond her crown, she is a dedicated advocate for women's empowerment and global unity. Her commitment to community service earned her the title of the Servant Queen. Her commitment to excellence and her inspiring journey makes her a relatable and inspiring title holder. Give it up for Amber Hewler, Mrs. Universe USA 2025. Our next judge tonight is Shikha Bajaj. Shikha Bajaj is a globally recognized transformation expert, best-selling author, dynamic speaker, and a partner at a top global digital consulting firm with 25 plus years of leadership experience. Featured on Forbes, MSNBC, Women's Journal, etc., she leads the powerhouse Own Your Color Academy, helping women break barriers. That's Shikha Bajaj.
Give it up for Shikha. Our next judge is the beautiful, gorgeous Mahi Chaurasia. She's a proud mom of a 6-year-old, a double master's degree holder, and a full-time content creator for the past 10 years. She's partnered with leading brands known for blending style, creativity, and real-life moments into meaningful stories. Mahi was also the first runner-up at the prestigious Mrs. South Asia World Pageant 2022. Give it up for Mahi. Our next judge for tonight is our queen, Juhi Goyal. Juhi has been crowned Mrs. Universe Georgia Elite 2024 and Well-Spoken Georgia in 2018. She has been a part of multiple national and international fashion shows and celebrity events. By profession, she is the Vice President of Compliance Services at the 6th largest bank of the US and is thrilled to be judging our magnificent pageant today. Give it up for Juhi Goyal.
Our next judge is Meenu Saini. As a paraprofessional teacher in a middle school, she empowers students to reach their full potential and creates a supportive learning environment. In her role as Joint Secretary for the India Association of Nashville, she actively promotes cultural exchange, understanding community connections. Additionally, she shines as fashion runway model and is the proud title holder of Mrs. Bharat Tennessee 2023 first runner-up. Give it up for Meenu Saini. Our next judge is Anukriti Bhatnagar. Anukriti Bhatnagar proudly holds the title of Mrs. Bharat Tennessee Elite 2023, a true embodiment of beauty, grace, and strength. Professionally, she leads a software team and she also pursues her passions as a fashion model and events coordinator. Give it up for Anukriti Bhatnagar.
Woo! Our next judge for tonight is Archana Vyas. She's a cosmetologist and microbiologist as well as Mrs. Bharat Karvi Tennessee 2024 winner. Her work is her passion and making beautiful women more beautiful inside out. Give it up for Archana Vyas. Woo! Next we have the beautiful Shanila Memon. Her philanthropic achievements and her giving nature have made a significant impact. As a several award-winning, her new Pardes events marketer is at Hyde Marketing. Give it up for Shanila Menon.
Our next judge is Ujjwala Shahji, a technical leader in IT industry for the past 20 years, mom of 2, enthusiastic dancer, and passionate gardener. She volunteers her time as Science Olympiad coach at middle school and is also a spiritual healer. She is also the winner of Mrs. Elite North Carolina. Give it up for Ujjwala Shahji.
Woo!
Next judge is Konjit Muchala. Senior Business Director for billion-dollar chemical company, holds multiple crowns through My Dream TV and other pageant network, and holds multiple black belts in mixed martial arts. Empowers women as State Director for My Dream Team, choreographer, and pageant coach. Give it up for Konjit Muchala.
Our next judge tonight is Anusha Wangara, Instagram influencer. She is an entrepreneur, owner of Atlanta Exhibits, a stylist, fashion choreographer, model, and a philanthropist. Mrs. South Asia World 2020 first runner-up. Won the title Beauty with Brains and Mrs. Most Talented. So give it up for Anusha Wangara. Our next judge for tonight is Neha Rekapalli. She's a dynamic 37-year-old physical therapist, fitness enthusiast, and runway model with a passion for both physical and mental well-being. As the current Mrs. Universe USA Elite second runner-up, Mrs. Universe Ohio Elite, and Queen of the Universe second runner-up for 2025. Give it up for Neha.
Our next judge tonight is Ritu. Ritu, as a techie turned homemaker, embraced motherhood with resilience and compassion, especially raising a special needs child. Her journey in fashion and modeling has led her to the New York Fashion Week runway and collaborations with Bollywood designers, radiating elegance and confidence. Being the first runner-up in Mrs. Bharat North and South Carolina is a testament to her commitment to empowering women and making a positive impact. That's Ritu for you.
Woo!
Woo! And our next judge is Beena Gajjar, the winner of Otigio Diva Georgia USA 2024, Mrs. India Elite 2021 first runner-up, and Mrs. South Asia World 2020 catwalk title. Professionally, she serves as a beauty advisor. Empowering women is a cause close to her heart. That's Beena Gajjar.
Woo! Next we have Pooja Deb, Mrs. North Carolina Universe 2024, Mrs. Bharat North Carolina South Carolina 2023. She's a financial advisor, mother of two, passionate dancer, and a YouTuber. She loves traveling, meeting new people, and spending time with family. She believes in giving back to the community. Her motto in life is, it's not how much we give, but how much we put into it. So give it up for Pooja. Our next judge, we have Pallavi Pantri, winner of Mrs. Bharat Georgia 2022 and a runner-up in nationals the same year. She's an all-rounder with multiple hats of being successful, an IT professional, a dedicated licensed insurance provider for Georgia, an enthusiastic Seva women's sport manager, and a two-time pickleball Atlanta City finalist in 2024. Wow, that's Pallavi. Give it up for Pallavi.
Our next judge is Jinal Trivedi. Jinal Trivedi is the winner of Mrs. Universe Virginia 2024, and she has her beautiful clothing brand, Jill Miss. She will be showcasing tonight. Give it up for Jinal Trivedi. Next up is Pallavi Raj. Pallavi Raj is Mrs. Houston Universe 2025 and also the Dynamic State Director of Miss Bharat, Texas. An accomplished IT professional by day, a passionate dancer by soul, and a fitness motivator who inspires countless lives. Pallavi is a woman who wears many crowns with elegance and purpose. She is not just a title holder, but a trailblazer leading with vision, dancing with joy, and empowering others to embrace strength and self-love. Let's hear it for the radiant, the resilient, the remarkable Pallavi Raj. Thank you so much, judges, for your time today.
Okay, so we have one more judge, a
Yes.
very special one. We have Dr. Meenakshi Ravi, the reigning Mrs. Universe Elite USA 2025. She's a multifaceted achiever and founder of Trailblazer Queen Productions. Her accolades include the Presidential Lifetime Achievement Award, features in over 50 publications, and cover appearances in top luxury magazines. As a dedicated humanitarian, she serves as a peace ambassador. Give it up for Dr. Meenakshi Ravi, everyone. So these were all our judges. Thank you once again for taking the time out and being here tonight. Oh, 1 second. Okay. So we will let one of our... I don't have the info. 1 second. Huh? Sai Padma.
So judges, how are you feeling tonight? Excited? Yes. Which round are you most looking forward to judging? Like the heritage round or?
No, just right here. Okay, so I have another
Heritage?
special judge here, and I would like her to introduce herself right here for us. Thank you so much, Sai. You are the lucky one.
Thank you. Hi all, this is Sai Padma. I'm from Michigan. I just wanted to tell you thank you for being here, welcoming me here for this. And I'm an occupational therapist by nature. I started the pageant journey just last year, and I have won Miss South Asia World Curvy winner. I won Mrs. Michigan Universe, and I won Mrs. Bharat Michigan. And I was a runner-up for Mrs. Universe, second runner-up. So I just wanted to thank everybody. If you like to participate, don't wait for tomorrow. Enjoy the day today, and you could be the winner. And good luck to all the rest of the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, Sai.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so much, and thank you for being here. Thank you, judges.